Hey, so we're looking at this problem. It says use substitution to determine, give me just a second. It says use substitution to determine whether or not the expressions 11t times t plus 8 and 11t squared plus 8 are equivalent. So we have 11t times t plus 8, and we have 11t squared plus 8. So these two equations are going to be equivalent if at every point that we plug in, we get the same number. So if I plug in, I'm going to pick a couple of different t's and test and see whether or not they're the same. So if I pick t is equal to 0, t is equal to 1, and t is equal to 10, I should get the same number every time that I plug it into both of these. All right. So when I plug in 0, I'm going to start with t is equal to 0. I have 11 times 0. I put my numbers in parentheses so I don't lose a negative sign by accident. 11 times 0 times 0 plus 8. And I have 11 times 0 squared plus 8. All right. So in this expression, I get 11 times 0 is 0 times 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 times 8 is 0. So I get 0 for this expression when t is 0. Over here, I have 11 times 0 squared. So I get 11 times 0 plus 8. 11 times 0 is 0, so I get 0 plus 8, which is 8. So here I have some problem because here I got 0 and here I got 8. So they don't match up, so they're not equivalent. I don't have to keep going. If I tested another point, I would see that they still aren't the same. So if I did t is equal to 1, I have 11 times 1 times 1 plus 8. And I have 11 times 1 squared plus 8. Here I'm going to get 11 times 1 is 11. 1 plus 8 is 9. So I get 99. 11 times 9 is 99. Over here, 1 squared is 1. So I get 11 times 1 plus 8. 11 times 1 is 11 plus 8. 8 plus 11 is 19. So again, I see that my numbers don't match up, so these two are not equivalent. So I would say my answer is that 11 times 11t times t plus 8 is not equal to 11 times t squared plus 8.